Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate zucchini cookies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need a half a cup of unsalted butter, and we're going to melt that so you don't have to worry about that being at room temperature. And a half a cup is 1 stick. Then you need a half a cup of granulated sugar, which I have in this bowl already. A fourth a cup of packed light brown sugar, which I have in this bowl already. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. A half a cup of shredded zucchini drained. So I shredded mine, pulsed it in the NutriBullet, and then I squeezed out the excess moisture with a tea towel. That's just the best way that I found to make it work. Then you need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. A fourth cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, a fourth a teaspoon of baking powder, a fourth a teaspoon of baking soda, and then half a cup of whatever kind of chocolate chips you like. And this should make about 18 cookies. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and line the cookie sheet with parchment paper. Alright, next I just melted my butter in the microwave in a microwavable safe bowl, and now we are going to stir that together with both of our sugars until it is nice and smooth. Alright, I melted my butter in a microwavable safe bowl, and next we are going to add that to our sugars along with our vanilla extract and mix that with an electric mixer until it is nice and smooth. Alright, that looks nice and smooth to me, so next we are just going to stir in our zucchini. Alright, that looks great. So next in another bowl we're just going to whisk all of our dry ingredients together. Alright, that looks perfect, so I am just going to add my dry to my wet a little at a time, mixing it with my electric mixer. Alright, that looks pretty good to me, so next we are going to fold in our chocolate chips. Alright, my chocolate chips are all folded in, so next we are just going to take about a tablespoon size bowl of these and try to roll it out. I'm going to use my scoop, my cookie scoop, and then you want to kind of flatten them. Alright, my first batch is on here, and I just flattened them out with my hand, or you could use a cup if you spray it with cooking spray. These won't spread a lot, so you just want to make sure they're nice and kind of uniform so they cook evenly. Those are my dogs fighting in the background. So go ahead and put these in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Alright, my first batch of cookies is out of the oven, and they are still really gooey, and I did let them cook for the full 9 minutes. So we are going to let them set for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet, and maybe they'll set up more before we transfer them to a cooling rack. Alright, both batches of my cookies are done. I was able to get exactly 18, so we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, after all, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.